in Sir Hawkins Boatshed, Scotland. Welcome to this narrow barge, which is quite nicely presented. We have a stove there, so we're at the bow section here. Those doors open out, as we know, and we've seen that on the pictures. And if I just spin round now, we can see the seating area, the saloon, and we have television viewing, and we look along. We've got this open plan layout, a breakfast bar, and we have the cooker and microwave, and as we can see, lots and lots of storage units, fridge below, the sink unit, and some more storage here. And if I pan back, you can see the whole area from a different viewpoint. And if I go around this way, we enter the bathroom, the head for the nauticals, there's your toilet and a sink, and if we come in, we can see the shower room, a good sized shower. I pan back there, I'd say it's well over a metre. I think it's 1200 probably, but measure it if you need to know. And if we come out of the bathroom and I just swing round, we come to the bedroom. And we can see the bed here. So there's a bedroom there. And there's storage over there. Electrical units, window with curtains, and again you can see down the barge there.